English, my lord.
Okay. Sergeant Mabasa, you've already testified previously and your affidavit was handed up as Exhibit S before this court.
Sergeant Mabasa, ubusu
You
ke
confirm that?
waletha ubufakazi la enkantolo futhi ke ne-affidavit yakhe ifakwe la enkantolo njenge-exhibition S.
Yes, I did testify before.
Yebo kunjalo.
And your experience as well as the training that you underwent is set out in Exhibit S.
Manje ke u-exhibition H echaza ukuthi umsebenzi wakho nokuthi usunesikhathi esingakanani usebenza nokuthi ikhono lakho lingakanani.
Yes, that's correct.
That is kunjalo.
Commencing on page 1 up to page 2 of Exhibit S.
That's correct.
Yebo kunjalo.
Do you have Exhibit S before you, your affidavit?
Yes, I do.
If I can ask you to turn to page 2, paragraph 5 of your affidavit. Just to contextualize your evidence, just read the contents of paragraph 5 on page 2.
On 2020-08-17, at about 11:17, I received a CD from a downloader's office with a computer folder marked Cleveland, case 96 of 2/2015, containing phone download information. The computer folder contained 3 XRY files that contained the information of 1 phone, 1 SIM card, and 1 memory card. The information in the XRY format cannot be tampered, edited, or manipulated in any way.
Ngomhla 17 enyangeni ka-8 ku-2020 ngesikhathi sika-11:17 ngathola i-CD ephuma kufoni eyayi-downloadiwe ikhishwe ngekhompyutha ebhalwe ukuthi Cleveland Case 96-02-2015 eyayiphethe-ke konke okwangaphakathi kwefoni. I-folder leyo khompyutha yayinamafayili amathathu ama-XRY file ayephethe-ke ulwazi olwalu esefonini yokuqala, i-SIM card eyodwa ne-memory card eyodwa. Manje-ke ulwazi-ke olugcinwe ngohlobo lwe-XRY alukwazi ukuthi luguqulwe noma lulungiswe noma lushintshwe nganoma yingayiphi indlela. Manje-ke
Paragraph 6.
Is it correct that you have now already, as indicated in the beginning, you've already testified in respect of the downloads of the memory card? You are here today to testify about the downloads on the phone and the SIM card.
Yeah, it's correct.
athi yebo ngizoletha ubufakazi ngefoni nange-SIM card.
Yes, you may proceed to paragraph 6.
Ngaqhubeka paragraph 6.
The information contained in the XRY file was as follows.
Ulwazi-ke obulingaphakathi kwe-XRY file lukanje.
Samsung GTE 2220,
Ifoni-ke uSamsung uhlobo le-GTE 2220.
the number was 072-766-8169.
Number yakho 0727668169.
IMEI number was 3597960502979002.
My number injengoloko kufundile.
IMSI was 655-0122-4915-1373,
IMSI number injengoba isanda kuyifunda,
and a memory card that belongs to Mtobisi Gadla Mnube,
manje ke futhi kwakune memory card umnini wayo kwakuwumthobisi Gadla Mncube owumsoko,
which was said to be linked to Phosphorus case 636-10-2014 as directed by Colonel Gininda,
ke lona uqhumene naleli cala lase-phosphorus case 636-10-2014 ngalokulayelwa ke uKenneth Gininga.
Thank you. Can we then just turn to page 50 of your affidavit, Exhibit S, paragraph 7.
paragraph
If
7.
you can just explain the terminology that you have just used in paragraph 6.
Kama ngasichazela ke lamagama asetshenziswa kube lapha ku-paragraph 6.
Paragraph 7 is explanation of terminology used.
Nje paragraph 7 incazelo ke yamagama asetshenzisiwe.
IMEI number. IMEI means International Mobile Equipment Identity.
Manje IMEI usho ke ukuthi indlela okunikwa ngayo igama lezinto ezisetshenziswayo umhlaba wonke, International Mobile Equipment Identity.
The IMEI is only used for identifying the cellular device and has no permanent or semi-permanent relation to the subscriber.
To IMEI ke setshenziswa ke ukuthi ikwazi ukuthi i-cellphone iyiphi noma umakhalekhukhwini imuphi, futhi ke ayiqhumene ngokwesikhashana noma ngokwesikhathi sonke nalomuntu oyisebenzisayo leyo phone.
IMSI is International Mobile Subscriber Identity.
IMSI kuthiwa i-International Mobile Subscriber Identity.
The subscriber is identified by transmission of an IMSI number,
Kuthiwa ke lo muntu ke oyisebenzisayo le phone waziwa ngale number le esetshenziswa i-IMSI number,
which is stored on a SIM card that can, in theory, be transferred to any handset.
manje ke le nombolo le iyagcinwa ke la kwi-sim card okusho ukuthi ingasuswa ke komunye umakhalekhukhwini isho komunye.
MSISDN, Mobile Station International Subscriber Directory Number,
Kuthiwa MSISDN i-Mobile Station International Subscriber Directory Number.
it is the telephone number to the SIM card in a mobile cellular phone,
Kuthiwa lena ke inamba kamakhalekhukhwini ekhona ke kule sim card,
which is a SIM card subscriber identification module.
kusho ke iyona ke esetshenziswayo ukwazi ukuthi le sim card iyiphi.
SIM card number, subscriber identity module,
Kuthiwa sim card number kuthiwa ibizwa ngokuthi subscriber identity module.
is an integrated circuit chip that is intended to securely store the international mobile in a subscriber identification
Kuthiwa ke
identity. Sorry.
Kuthiwa lokhu ke kufaka kuleya chip lesetshenziswa ngaphakathi efonini ukuthi igcine inombolo le kuthiwa i-IMSI.
IMSI number and its related key, which are used to identify and authenticate subscriber on mobile telephone devices,
Kuthiwa lena inamba le ekwazi ukuthi yazise ukuthi ubani osebenzisa leyo phone noma usebenzisa muphi umakhalekhukhwini,
such as mobile phone and computer.
futhi lokhu kungasetshenziswa komakhalekhukhwini namakhompyutha.
It is also possible to store contacts on many SIM cards.
futhi ke inombolo zalabantu aqhumana nabo umuntu uyakwazi ukuthi angazibeka ku SIM card.
SIM cards are always used on GSM phones,
SIM card ke yasetshenziswa ke kumakhalekhukhwini
for CDMA phones.
nakulawa okuthiwa ama-GSM noma CDMA.
They are only needed for newer LTE capability handsets,
So kusetshenziswa ke kulo hlobo lwamakhalekhukhwini abama-LTE.
SIM cards can also be used in satellite phones.
Futhi ke la kunamafoni asebenzisa ama-satellite, ama-SIM card ayakwazi ukusetshenziswa.
Paragraph 8. My duties entails to extract and convert the data from the XRY format using able to extract to a Microsoft Excel version.
Manje umsebenzi wami ke ukukhipha nokuguqula ulwazi olungaphakathi kwama-XRV format. Ngisebenzisa ke le program ekuthiwa able to extract ebese ngiyifaka ngiyigcine njengohlobo lwe-Microsoft Excel.
This is done so that the A and B notebook program can use the information.
Manje lokwenzela ukuthi i-notebook le eno-A and B ikwazi ukuthi isebenzise lo lwazi olutholakele.
The information of all cellular telephones and SIM cards were then transferred to a single Microsoft Excel sheet.
Manje ke ulwazi olutholakala kule selefoni nakuma-SIM card lwadluliselwa ku-spreadsheet se-Excel esisodwa.
I hand in as part of my assessment a copy of Microsoft Excel sheet annexure A.
Ngifakile ke njengokunye ke kwalokhu engikwenze njenge-statement khona la enkantolo. Lo engifakile la enkantolo Microsoft Excel spreadsheet ekopiwe.
Thank you. This annexure has already been handed up during your previous testimony, is that correct?
That's correct.
Annexure
Kathi
A.
ke annexure lena ifakiwe ngesikhathi ufakaza ngaphambilini.
In order for an analyst notebook program to read the information correctly, certain information must be edited.
Ukuze ke i-analyst notebook program ikwazi ukufunda le mniningwane ekhona la ngaphakathi kusho ukuthi kufanele kube nokulungiswa okwenziwayo kuleyo file.
For example, the analyst notebook does not recognize 0 as the beginning of a number.
Manje ke okunye ke esingakwenza esingakusebenzisa example ukuthi ke i-analyst notebook ayikwazi ukuthi ibone u0 njengenombolo eqala inombolo ikamakhalekhukhwini.
So all zeros that is a prefix is removed.
Ukuthi ke o0 kabakhona lapho bonke bayasuswa.
The 078676254 is converted to 786762545.
Sithi ke inamba ke njengo 0786762545 iyaguqulwa ke ibisiqala ngo7867625545 ukusho ukuthi uzilo lo wangasekuqaleni usukhishile.
All common number is removed that will give a false link with another phone.
Shike inamba ke ezingasetshenziswa ukuthi mhlambe zingadidisa kucaca ukuthi enye ifoni zinazo ziyasuswa.
Like 110.111.212.
Inamba enjengo 110.111.121.
All dialing prefixes are removed also.
Futhi ke naloko kusetshenziswayo umuntu ufuna ke afaka inamba nokuyasuswa.
Which are +27, the plus and the zeros, etc.
Into enjengo +27 nokuthi umuntu asenzise uplus no zero konke kuyasuswa lokho.
Paragraph 10, the conversion of the data does not involve the manipulation of the data.
Manje ukukhula ke kwe-data akusho ukuthi ke manje sekukhona ushintsho olwenziwayo ke kuleyo data.
And then use the analyst notebook program to draw an analyst notebook chart of the information.
Kusho ukuthi emva kwalokho ngase ngithathe sisebenzisa i-analyst notebook program ukuthi ke bese ngiyadweba ke lapha i-chart noma isikhombiso esikhombisayo ukuthi lolwazi olutholakale lumi kanjani.
And the set chart, sorry, has already been handed up as Exhibit B during your previous testimony.
That's correct.
So ke leli chart leli lifakiwe nje isikhombiso sala inkantolo athi yebunjani.
Yes, just read into the record that last sentence after Annexure B.
The said chart shows the associates of data received.
Manje ke uthe ke leli chart leli sikhombisa ukuthi khona ukuxhumana kunjani kule data letholiwe.
Thank you. Then coming back to paragraph 5 of your affidavit on page 2 of your affidavit, paragraph 5, you've already testified that you received the downloaded information on a CD. Did you then proceed to analyze that information?
Yes, the information was analyzed as paragraph 8.
Ngazothola lapho ke lahlaziwa njengoba ngishilo lapha paragraph 8.
I just want to show you the new exhibit. We've marked it Exhibit S, Annexure C. Can you just identify that exhibit?
Yes, I can see. I'm the one who uploaded this.
Athi hayi mina ngenza le exhibit.
Yes. What does the exhibit consist of? Annexure C.
Annexure C uthweleni.
Is the original data of which I have received from the downloader's office converted to a PDF format.
Jika hayi le data ifile ekhombisa idata ukuthi ngayithola kanjani isiguquliwe yenzwa i-PDF format.
The first part consists of contacts. Is that correct? It's, my lord, the pages appear at the bottom from page 10 up to page 58.
From page 10.
Yes, from page 10 to page 58. Is that correct?
Yes, it's correct. There's a contact that way.
So ke abantu ke ababhaliwe inamba zagcinwa efonini lawabhaliwe kusuka lapho ekhasini 10 kuyofika ku-58.
Yes, just for record purposes, what are these contacts? Where were they found?
The contacts were found on a SIM card as per page 4.
Manje ke lana ke kusho ukuthi chaza ukuthi ilabantu ababebhale kuyona le phone njengabantu abangaqhonyana nabo njengoba kukhombisa lapha ekhasini lesine.
Of Annexure C?
Yes,
Yes.
of the original data.
Now, still on page 4 of Annexure C, it refers to SIM card and USIM. Can you just explain, is there any difference between the two?
No, there's no difference. It's one SIM card partitioned into two, meaning it can save one contact twice.
Athi ke uma le SIM card le makuthiwa USIM kusho SIM card eyodwa ehlukaniswe kabili kusho ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi umuntu agcine ey'ndaweni ey'mbili kuyona kule SIM card eyodwa.
Which is, it can say SIM card, same contact, you go to your SIM, it's still the same contact.
Shouthi ungabona lapha ku SIM card umuntu ebhale umoya lapha ku-USF thola ukuthi uphinde wabhalwa futhi.
Thank you. I just want to refer you to page 10 of the contracts, index number 9. Can you just place that information on record?
Index 9, and the name is Mfoka Kumalo. The telephone number was +27 72 399 5787.
So lo bhalwe ke lapho ke ebhalwe ku number 9 usho ukuthi ubhalwe njengokuthi igama Mfoka Khumalo. Inombolo ebhaliwe lapho u072 399 5787
On the SIM card.
iku sim card ke le.
Then I just want to refer you to the affidavit of Lieutenant Colonel Hose, Exhibit DD 5 in brackets D, wherein he sets out the various cell phone numbers received on the basis of the Section 2.5.
You say House's affidavit is what? BB? Sorry?
Exhibit DD.
DD.
Yeah.
DD5.
Yes, in brackets B.
DD5D.
B.
B.
Yes. DD5 in brackets B.
B. DD5 in brackets B.
Can you just place on record the number that he sets out from the fifth number from if you start from the bottom?
On page 2, is it right?
Yes.
Fisokuhle Ntuli, the number was 2772399577.
So inamba ebhaliwe lapha kaFisokuhle Ntuli kuthiwa 072 399 5787 5787, yeah.
Now, the number that appears on index 9 of your analysis of the contacts, what is your comment regarding the number that you've just read out now?
No, it's the same number, it's one and the same number.
But hayi liyakubonakala ukuthi inamba eyodwa le.
If I can then ask you to turn to page 12 of Annexure C, Exhibit SC of your analysis, page 12. Just read the information that appears.
Wait.
I'm sorry?
When you say Annexure C, is it
Yes.
still on Exhibit S?
Yes, the one that we've just handed up this morning.
Yeah, fine, no, fine. It's because it
Annexure
starts
C.
only with Annexure. Okay, fine.
Yes.
So it's page 12.
Page 12, yes.
Right, yeah.
Index number 25. Can you just read the information that appears on your analysis?
Index 25, Mshana Ntuli, who? +2771 5951239.
So lapha ngaphansi kwenamba lu-25 kubhalwe igama lomuntu othiwa uMshana Ntuli 4. Kuthiwa ke inamba yakhona ku-071 595 1239.
On the SIM card.
Kuthiwa le namba igcinwe ku-sim card.
Okay. And if I can refer you to Exhibit DD5 in brackets B, the same page that we are on, the last number there,
Fisokuhle Ntuli,
athi number elapho ekafisa ukuhle ntuli
271 595 1239.
athi number u-071 595 1239.
What is then your comment regarding the number on that you've just read and the one that appears in index 25?
It's the same number.
athi alezo number ziyafana number yakho.
Thank you. If I can then ask you to turn to page 21 of your analysis, annexure C. Yes, we'll come back to page 29. If we can proceed to page 49.
On annexure C of exhibit S.
Yes, I'm sorry, page 18. I'm sorry, page 18.
Yeah.
Page 18 of annexure C, 18.
Okay.
Index number 80.
80.
Yes, 80.
Index 80. Ngani. The number is plus 2776642707 on a SIM card.
Nje le number le engaphansi kwa-index number 80 kuthiwa ibhalwe njengonkani kuthiwa ke inumber yakhona 076 6427007 igcinwe kwi-sim card.
If I can then ask you to turn to the affidavit of Lieutenant Colonel Halls, DD5 in brackets B.
Yeah, you say, wait. Affidavit of host is what?
Exhibit DD in brackets 5.
DD5, right?
DD5 in brackets B.
B, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
It says Fisokuhle Ntuli 27766427007.
Kuthiwa igama elilapho ufisa ukuhle ntuli inumber 076 6427007.
Now, what is your comment now regarding this number that you've just read out and the one that appears in index 80 of your analysis?
It's the same number as on the SIM card.
athi ziyafana lezi number yodwa.
If I can then ask you to turn to page 49 of annexure C, your analysis. Index number 150.
Index number 150 is XG Nube 10068088866.
So lapha ngaphansi kwa-150 igama elibekiwe lapho XG Mncube inombolo ke ebekiwe 100 680 86866.
If I can then ask you to turn to the SMSs which appear on page 60 of annexure C, index number 8. Can you just read that SMS?
What page?
Page 60. Index number 8.
Index 8, tell from plus 2782007248110050. The text was Standard Bank, 1,000 rand withdrawn from account 8866 at 0000727 2015 0203 T06 33 11 51696120183, and it says the balance is 1913.41, date 2015-0203, query, and then 0860123-107. Time 2015-0203, 0634, 16. It was served on the USIM, it was read, and it was delivered to the phone.
Toke lana ngaphansi ka index number 8. Itelephone ke umbiko lona uvela ku telephone 27 82007 248 110050. Toke lana ke umbiko uthi Standard Bank kulungwane yamarandi ikhishiwe ku account 8866 ngo kushuthi ke ngesikhathi ukuthiwa ke u00000727 mhla 20 ngumhla ka kuthiwa 2015-02-03-706 bese kuthiwa lapha 33115196120388 kuthiwa ke imali esele ibalance inkulungwane yodwa amakhulu ayisishiyagalolunye neshumi nantathu osekwa amasenti awu amashumi amane nanye. Lokhu ke kwenzeke ngomhla ka 3 enyangeni kaFebruary 2015. Sobhala ke nokuthi query 0601231107. Sobhala ke nokuthi 2015-0203 kwese kuba lokungathi kuyisikhathi ukuthi 0634 16 UCT 002 kwese bhala network. Ke lokhu ke ugcinwe ku USIM.
So in short, this is a message from the bank
Yes.
pertaining to account number 8866 that was sent to
That's correct.
a cell phone. Can you just again put that cell phone number on record? Or the one that you downloaded?
It's
The one that was downloaded and which downloads you analyzed?
072 766 8169.
Ngiyabonakala lana ukuthi umbeko ovela ebhanki ukhulisa ukuthi khona imali eyakhishwa ku account 8866 okusho ukuthi ke le number lena 082-766-8169 yona eyathola lo mbiko lo.
Now, coming back to index number 150 as per page 49, the one that you've just placed on record, index 150 on page 49. Page 49 of Annex C, your analysis.
Yes, I'm managing.
Yes, that index 150 ends, that number ends, the last four digits are 8866.
That's correct, it's 8866.
Athi yebo kuyakhombisa lapho ukuthi inamba zokugcina kuleyo namba ebhaliwe lapha ngaphansi ka index 150 u8866.
This is not 888, sir.
No, the last 4 digits.
Oh, the last 4. Okay, fine.
The last 4
The last
digits.
4, okay.
Yes. Now, if you go back to page 60, index number 80, those last 4 digits, 8866. What is then your comment regarding the account number that appears on page 49, index 150? And the one that you've just read that appears on page 60, index number 8, the message from the bank.
Is a message from the Standard Bank that the 1,000 rand was withdrawn from the account in index 150.
Yes. The 4 digits that appear on the SMS and the 4 digits that appear on index 150, page 49, what is your comment?
They are one and the same thing, it's the same account.
Athi ayikabonakala ukuthi inamba eyodwa.
Thank you, my lord. Those are the only aspects that you wanted to place on record with this witness.
Just wait for my understanding. You say the index, your last assertion, the index which appears on page 60, is it?
Yes, it's
Index, is it index 8
it's
on page 60?
on yes, it's index 8, my lord, on
Right.
page 60. Index 8,
Yeah.
as well as the information on page 49,
And
index.
information on, wait, 49, page 49.
Yes.
Just hang on.
Page 49,
fine.
index 150.
150.
Yes.
Never. 151.
No, 150.
150. Oh, sorry.
Yes.
Yeah, fine.
In the name of
150 in the name of Mube.
ex-Jim Nube. Yes.
Jim Mube, yeah, fine.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
Those last 4 digits,
Yeah, 8866.
yes,
Okay.
are caught with those ones on page
Accords
60.
with the ones on page, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. That is all, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Gomezulu.
I have no question.
No questions, Mr. Mzuma. Mr. Ramusipidi.
As the court pleases, my lord, I do not have any questions for the witness, my lord.
Right, Mr. Mnisi.
Definitely, mother. I do have some questions.
Okay, fine.
But I request indulgence just to
You, re-
see
you request what?
an indulgence to approach accused number.
Oh, fine, no problem. You want us to adjourn?
Yes, maybe for 5-10 minutes.
Okay, what's your time, Mr.?
It's 10:55, my lord. Maybe we can resume after tea,
After tea.
10:30. 11:30.
Okay, 11:30.